Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Today I have Scrapbooking storage subscription for March 2026. So let's jump right in and show you what's included. Okay, we have a couple things in here. I want to make sure to get them all. Okay, so we have our little ephemera bundle that you can add on to your paper pack. But our paper pack this month is Simple Stories Fun Times is what the name of this is, and I'm actually really excited. It's like a fair, but also kind of birthday-ish colors or themes. I mean, it can be birthday or just a fair with the balloons, but I'm so excited for the bright colors in here, and I always love Simple Stories paper packs. So we will dive into this, and then I will show you these afterwards. So you're going to get your little sticker sheet with your 12 by 12 paper pack as well. Try to open this. Okay. So first off, we have this beautiful little ray of sunshine. And then on the back side, you have this kind of like a starburst. And it's almost like, I guess it is a green, but it kind of almost looks like a yellowish green when it's over here. But when you match it up with these green with the blue background, it's definitely a green. I think maybe it's because the center is this light blue, and so it kind of just messes with your eye a little bit. It makes it almost seem a little bit yellow. So then we also have this one called Main Attraction. And then you're going to have some fun little words that you could cut out. Or if you don't want these words, you can make your own words with the letters that you see in here and make your own little thing. This would be actually really cool for Bible journaling to make your own title. Definitely have some ideas there for that. And then look at that fun little triangle shaped pattern right there. Then we have Best Day with some balloons. Oh my goodness, love this. It's so cute with the stripes. Then we have some circles with hearts and stars. This is called Fun and Games. And then look at this ticket one. Columbus Avenue. So fun. It's like they just color blocked it, but it's going to be like these tickets. Then we have some fun arrows. This is on the paper called This Way with some orange polka dots. Then some stripes with stars on them called Emit One. And then I love this one. Look at this. Then Let's Play with some arrows, or not arrows, triangles again, but just a little bit different. And then we have our tags. Super cute. I love so many of these, like the ice cream. You're awesome. This would be a great layering one. But definitely some fun ones in there for tags. And then look at the back. Oh, so excited. So fun. I'm so excited about this kit. Okay, and then we have journaling cards. So a couple of different sizes in this one. Almost like a ticket one. Top faves. Really cool. I want to make sure you can see them all. And then, oh, this plaid is so fun. Okay, and then your other journaling cards just here for the food. And you actually have a food one right here. Fresh popcorn, some more tickets you could cut out separately or keep them whole. Oh, that is a fun pattern as well. And then you have some more different elements. So you have some little small squares and some of the bigger ones. Step right up. Love that. And then a red pinstripe for the back. And then one more paper. So this is the 4x6s. those are really fun. Some bigger tickets that you could use. And then look at that polka dot. So cute. Okay, so those are your 12 by 12 papers. And then, like I said, you get one sticker sheet. So this one's cool because you always have this like scalloped border with Simple Stories, or at least the ones I've had. You also have a couple tickets, some food items, some words, definitely some fun things you could do there. And then you have some stars, some tabs. I love the little dog balloon. There's a couple of them actually. So this will be really cute to use, I think. And so versatile. Like you could use it for a birthday, like I originally thought the theme was. But just also for some fun summer kind of activities or, you know, whatnot. Okay, so let's show you what comes in the add-on little pack. So this is $7 to add this onto your kit. We will start off with this one. This is from Rosie's Studio. Scrapbooking Store uses them quite a bit. It looks like they're going to be little tags. Let's see. Or tickets is what I meant to say. Craft tickets. So that will be fun. I actually really like this idea. I do have a die set that is tickets from Tim Holtz. So maybe I could make some of my own too. Family Pass. These are a little bit more muted, but you will definitely be able to use these with the same kit. Or with future projects for sure. Because I'm sure you're probably not going to use this many tags. But there are a lot of them. Probably shouldn't go so slow going through them. Oh, I like that one with the cutout. There's some little ones. It's probably a little cutout from the center so it can be like a little tag. So then you have some that you could even like perforate. Anyways, so this is the craft tickets. You get 29 pieces from Rosie Studio. I'm actually going to put them right back in here so I don't lose any pieces. Okay. And then we'll save that for last because it goes with the kit. This one is Thickers. It's the Adventurous collection. Really like the colors in here and they go along really well. They also have some gold foil things, so that would be fun. And you get 2 pages of those. So obviously this is kind of like a travel theme, but not necessarily every single one of these words are just for traveling. So super cute. And then lastly, this is from Simple Stories again. This is called Simple Pages Page Pieces. There are 17 pieces of ephemera in here. Most of them are really tiny. Okay, so you have some stars, shooting stars, and balloons. You have this that says Fun Times. You have a couple of stars right there. Love this little camera, a flourish, some more shooting stars. Oh, this would be cute. So you can make like a title like this. Boop. Something like that. That would be cute. Anyways, I'm not crafting right now. Then you have some little lights, another little flourish, some tickets. What a something. Oh, ha, what a blast. Okay, and then a blank ticket, some cotton candy, and 2 more stars. So that is what is included with that Simple Stories ephemera collection. And that is it, guys. If you want to purchase one of these, they are still a bit available from Scrapbooking Store, so definitely go pick them up. I hope you enjoyed this and be on the lookout for some projects that I'm going to create with this. Okay, thanks. Bye.